So, okay guys, let's have some examples. So guys, let's say if this is the first vector, this is the second vector. Guys, resultant कौन सा होगा?
Third.
Yes, third. अब third के लिए दो possibilities है. Third is the closing side of the triangle. उसका direction किधर से किधर होगा?
From A to B.
ये this one or this one?
Towards the
Sir,
left
first
side.
one, sir. First
Towards
one.
the left.
Towards the left.
Towards the
Towards the left.
vector B.
Towards the left.
From the tail of the first to the head of the second.
Sir, should we note down these examples, sir?
Yes, yes. Please note down this example also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. और जो है, students, how will you find a triangle is a right triangle? Right triangle के लिए क्या हो जाएगा?
Sir, A square plus B square is
Sir,
equal
A
to
square
R
plus
square.
B square is equal to C square.
Pythagoras.
Yes, Pythagorean triplets. Guys, जहाँ भी Pythagorean triplets होगा, ठीक है, वो right triangle होगा, ठीक है guys. और one more thing, ठीक है, one more thing I want to tell कि जैसे suppose you have guys, जैसे suppose sin theta कहीं पे आ गया, say you got sin theta as 3/5. Now they write theta as sine inverse of 3/5. It's a way of in trigonometry. Sine theta is 3/5. Say given, this is given. So this implies theta is equal to sine inverse function sine inverse of 3/5. Similarly, say kahin par you are given that this is given cos theta is equal to, say somewhere you are given cos theta is equal to 4/5. Then theta will be, you write as cos inverse.
Sir, isn't the angle 53 and 37 degree, which we have learned, sir?
Correct. But sometimes it is written in this way also. It is written this way. Say you are given somewhere tan theta is, say somewhere given you are given tan theta is 2/3. Then theta will be how much? tan inverse.
Sir, it's only applicable for sine, cos, and tan, or is
Every-
it also applicable for
All.
secant, cosecant, and cotangent?
Correct. For all ratios, it's applicable.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Sir, here we are just shifting it to the denominator, shifting to the other side.
हाँ मतलब we can deal in this way, but it's a different way of but this is a different operator. Here the operator is tan. This is tan inverse. Tan inverse, yes.
So tan inverse nothing but 1 by tan, right?
No, 1 by tan to cot हो जाएगा. It's a way of writing.
Okay, sorry.
So then how will you find tan inverse?
Oh no, options में ऐसे इसी फॉर्म में दिया रहेगा. So you have to select from जो correct matching option होगा. So let us do some examples. 1 minute, it will be clear.
Sir, I did not understand how you did the triangle one.
Yeah, please tell again, Sean.
I did not understand how you solved the triangle one.
Oh, this one.
Yes, sir.
Oh, देखो इसमें Sean ऐसे किया. This is the first vector, right?
Yes, sir.
So, this is the first vector, and this is the ये तो हो गया first vector का tail, first vector का head. Now you join the first step, the tail of the second vector to the head of the first. ये हो गया. Now triangle we have to form. The closing side of the triangle is a resultant.
Yes,
The closing
sir.
side of the triangle from the tail of the first to the head of the second is the resultant. Remember in triangle rule the steps.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, ये वाला आया है तो let's try few sums from booklet. Now JEE main, guys, everybody has booklet, na?
Yes, sir. And PDF.
Yes, sir.
Now we
PDF. Yes.
PDF. Guys, ये JEE main exercise PDF में can somebody tell the number? Which number it is? Page
sir,
number
page number 17, sir.
17. Okay.
17.
17. Guys, इसमें जो है, please try second one. Second, sixth.
Sir, can you repeat the page number?
Page numbers, PDF page is 17.
Can I not please the
Sir, which question?
Question number 2, फिर question number 6.
can someone please send the PDF again?
Students, can somebody please send the PDF on the my doubts group?
So question 2 and 6, right?
Yes, please try.
सर आप वो क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे दिखा सकते हो?
Question number, question you
नहीं
want,
क्वेश्चन.
So can you repeat the page number?
you don't have the page number is 17. PDF page number 17. Tanay?
So I have the printout. So on that, then okay.
Oh, see JEE main exercise it's written.
Sir, can I say?
Yes,
Yes, sir. I got it.
It is
Okay.
C. C vector plus A vector is equal to vector.
Sir, we should do the sum in the classwork book or in the rough book, sir.
Oh, for the booklet sum, we have discussed now. We have to keep one book for the
Homework
this one.
book, sir.
Yes. This one you can do in the homework book.
Okay, sir.
So this one in the homework or classwork?
This one in the book, like guys, see, we can make only two. We will make only 2 notebooks, huh? 2 notebooks. One will be for the class note, and the second one for the booklets. This booklet, huh? Just 2 books.
So we'll do this in the other book, right? Not
Yes,
the
this is
classwork book.
not the class.
Sir,
Yes,
the second question is figure, no? We have
yes,
to
the second
identify.
question is the figure. Yes.
No, we should write the
Sir,
question
we
or
have to do question 6 or 2 and 6 in the home.
Yes, the second book. Like we are making 2 books, no? So we are total total we'll have 2 books. One book for the class notes. One will be for the class notes. And the second will be for the booklet sums.
Sir, on
Booklet
page
sums.
number 17, they have given the cross product.
So
Yes,
it is
sir, yes.
on page number 17 PDF.
It's page
So
number
it's on
20.
page number 20. So,
not 17.
so page number 20 of the
See
PDF.
the bottom right corner after Thane, the page number is written. So that.
Okay, guys. Oh, sorry. ठीक है. Page number 20 पे check करो. Okay, ठीक है. Book page.
Which questions you got?
Second and sixth one.
Sir, in page number 20, there's no second question, sir.
Sir, it's page number 17 only.
17 on.
अरे see ना after Thane 17 is written. That's it.
ठीक है. इसमें जो है page is it not क्या guys वाला visible नहीं है?
So it's on page 17 only.
17 and PDF page 20.
Okay.
But they are counting index pages also.
Okay, guys.
It is on page 17.
Okay. देखो guys, book page 17 and PDF page number. Okay. वो 20 है. Okay है ना? चलो ठीक है.
Yes.
भाई heading must be this one. JEE main exercise. यहाँ पे पहुँचना है सबको.
Sir?
Yes. हाँ.
Sir, should we write the question or just write the question number and mention the page number?
हाँ. In the book, you should only mention the JEE main, the chapter, the JEE main exercise. JEE main, like this. JEE main and the question number bus. That's it.
Okay, sir.
So is the sixth answer?
So this we have to do in book.
This one is in the second book. Second book. Yes. Book one is class notes. इसका mic.
हो गया या वो हो गया तो उसका प्रोविजन ऑलरेडी मैंने कर रखा है. एडिशनल में नहीं किया.
So this question we have to solve in homework book or which?
नहीं देखो guys, देखो we have only 2 books. कौन-कौन से 2 books हैं बताओ? एक तो जो है book 1, book 1 class notes और second book booklet sums बस. ऐसा.
So is the sixth answer D?
अब guys देखो आंसर्स जो है ना एक मिनट आंसर्स ऑन पेज नंबर आंसर्स जो है इसके आंसर्स यू विल हैव टू चेक फ्रॉम इसके आंसर्स गाइस पेज नंबर है इसका 26 आंसर्स यहाँ पे होंगे पेज नंबर 26
सेकंड क्वेश्चन करना है अभी
यस हाँ पीडीएफ का पेज नंबर क्या हो जाएगा 73 है तो 29 हो जाना चाहिए आपके में
17 पेज पर ही है पीडीएफ में
आंसर्स में डी है
ओके सो गाइस एवरीबॉडी गॉट द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स मतलब उसका बुक पेज नंबर सबको मिल गया ना जतिन you have received received हाँ ओके चलो ठीक है so Tamra is second book you're right you'll be solving this in second book and you just write the exercise name and question number
yes sir
second one ka let me draw the diagram for myself
sir isn't the answer C sir
let me check you can check
Yes,
in the
sir,
back
is it
also.
C?
So it's C.
Okay.
Yes,
C option match ho raha hai. Okay. Tamra, how did you get this one?
Sir, actually that C vector and A vector are head to tail. So the resultant vector would be B vector, sir.
Okay. So you're writing this as, okay, this is like, okay, C vector, this, and so this is your first, this is your second, and the C plus A vector is B vector. Okay guys, so ये first method हो गया. Okay, second method we can do this way also. This way. Let us first write C vector, this arrow, this A vector, this is B vector. अब जो है you can like first method you can do in this way. Second, we can do in this way. Let's start from any point and come back to that point. Let's say we start from here and we are traveling this way, this whole thing. So first we moved along C, then we are moving along A only, plus A here. Now to reach here, we have to go opposite to B.
Minus B.
Minus B. And now we have reached this point. So like this way. Now we can do this way also. Suppose, let me draw the diagram first. This is C vector. This is A vector. This is your B vector. Now somebody starts from this point and goes this way. So the person started from B, along B, now opposite to A, minus A, opposite to A. Now from here, the person has to go this way. That means that is opposite to C also. So minus C is 0 vector. So B vector is A vector plus C vector. This we can call as third method. Guys, yeah, all the three methods are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys.
Can you explain the first method again, please?
First method, Thamrai, what did he do? He selected this as the first vector. This because in the triangle rule, we remember what we do. We join the head to tail pattern, head of the first to the tail of the second. So he said this is the first, this is the second. So closing side of the triangle from the tail of the first to the head of the second is the resultant. So therefore this is the resultant. So B vector is this plus this. First one understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Somebody had doubt in which one, which method? Ankita? Third wala, okay. Third mein jo hai, say the person is starting from this point and going this way. Aise. So for first the person is moving along B, this is correct, B. Now the person is moving opposite to A vector. The A vector is this way, opposite, minus A. From here person is moving opposite to C now, minus C. Person has reached the starting point, same point, so 0 vector. Now you take this to other side, you get this one. Understood? Okay. Guys, next sixth wala karo jaldi.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Oh, good.
Done, sir. Done.
Guys, जिसका 6 हो गया है, let me give you some more sums. 6 हो गया है, तो guys, please try after 6th, 12th. 12, 13, 14. Okay, first we'll discuss 6 wala. 6 wala, who can tell the answer?
So me, Adit.
Yes, please, Adit.
So since he has to get the maximum displacement, we have to take we have to take 10 steps each time. Each
1 minute, Adit, 1 minute. Each step, 10 step each time, 1 minute. Let me do some calculations. Guys, each step is of 10, each step is as how much? 80 centimeter. Therefore, 10 steps will be 800 centimeter, 8 meters. Okay, Adit, now I got 10 steps. So 40 steps. So you broke into 10 into 10, 10, 10, 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, huh.
So
Now,
to get maximum displacement, our each step should repeat alternatively. Like if I pick any direction, first north, then if I take a left, then again I have to pick the north and again I have to take a left. Then I'll get the maximum displacement.
correct.
And then by using the Pythagoras theorem, we'll get 2 times root of 128, which is 16 root 2 centimeter, 2 meter.
Very good, huh? This is the final point. This is 8 meter. This is also 8 meter. You want to find OA. So OA square is equal to, you call this as B, OB square.
Sir,
Plus-
but it is not written that he turns every time. He just turns one time.
No, after 10 steps, he turns. Right? After taking 10 steps, he turns. This one, yes, huh? Please tell, John.
Yeah, sir.
See, it's written in the question. See, the person walks 10 steps in one direction, turns randomly. Say person यहाँ से start हुआ and then random turn, left turn. No. The randomly left or right. So पहले say person has gone this way. फिर if the person turns यहाँ से जो है left लेगा तो person will be very near to the starting point. The person has to go far away.
Maximum possible distance.
Yes, so far away. This way हो जाएगा. फिर again 10 steps. Total 40 steps, guys. देखो, ये वाला 10 steps हो गया. 10 steps is 8 meters. 10.
Yes,
10
sir.
steps. 10. So total 40 steps. And this is the displacement.
सर वो लास्ट टाइम भी तो एक और राइट ले सकता था ना?
Last time, or you are saying कि total 40 होना चाहिए वंश ना? So see, this is 40. This is 10 steps. This is 10 steps. This is 10 steps. This is 10 steps. So 40 steps. और एक बार होगा तो फिर 50 हो जाएगा ना steps.
30 के बाद ही अगर वर्टिकली नहीं जाता और सेम डायरेक्शन में कंटिन्यू करता तो भी तो फार डिस्टेंस रहता ना?
नहीं, but there is a constraint. The problem they have mentioned कि after 10 steps वो definitely turn लेता है.
हाँ सर, टर्न के बाद ना जो बीच का टर्न उसके बाद आपने लास्ट में वर्टिकल किया उसे अगर हॉरिजॉन्टली रखो तो
Oh, you are saying कि यहाँ से horizontally like this?
Yes, sir.
But फिर ये 20 steps हो जाएंगे ना? इस 20 steps में person has not taken any turn. This will be wrong.
सर अगर वो बी के डायरेक्शन में जाता तो?
Oh no, they have given a 90 degrees का turn, ना?
फिर वो मैक्सिमम नहीं होता सर.
अभी तो 90 हो गया मैम.
Yes, 90 degrees turn लेना है each time. जैसे यहाँ से आ रहा है person, तो 90 degrees का turn ये ऐसे जा रहा था. 90 degrees का turn होना चाहिए पूरा. Ankita, understood ना?
सर मैं बोल रही थी कि वो लास्ट में वो ए के तरफ जाता है ना तो उसके जगह वो अगर बी के साइड आता तो?
ओ लेकिन फिर डिस्प्लेसमेंट मैक्सिमम नहीं होता. पर्सन का एम है कि मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट सबसे ज्यादा दूर रहे.
Yes.
हाँ.
Sir, after you took a right or left, sir, then he walked 32 meters now.
कुछ रॉन्ग आ रहा है क्या तनिष?
Yes, sir. Sir, he walked 10 steps, then he took a right or left at 90 degree, and then he walked 40 steps. That means 32 meters, no?
No.
Total of 40.
एक साथ नहीं. 10 steps के बाद डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है.
अच्छा, like that. Okay.
Yes, हाँ, 10 steps के बाद. सो 10 स्टेप्स मतलब 8 मीटर्स के बाद डेफिनेटली डायरेक्शन चेंज करना डेफिनेट है.
सर ये हमें लिखना है क्या वो बुक में, बुकलेट
यस,
के
हाँ
बुक में?
हाँ, यस, हाँ, उस बुक में ये है.
Please explain this again.
सर
which one, Sean?
Sir, the second one.
Second one, okay, 1 minute.
Yes,
Second
sir.
वाला, the previous example, okay, हाँ.
Sir, 12, 13, 14 done.
No, sir, this one, sir.
Sir,
This one.
done.
अरे यार सभी
16 to answer.
okay, ये वाले 6 वाले का क्वेश्चन ना.
Yes, sir.
6 वाला क्वेश्चन जो है, सी यू अंडरस्टूड कि ये जो है इस पर्सन जो है हाउ मच ही इज टेकिंग. एक मिनट गाइस, किसका हो गया है, मैं उनको कुछ और दे देता हूँ.
Sir, हो
Sir,
गया.
done.
Sir, done.
एक मिनट जाओ, एक मिनट जाओ, एक मिनट. हाँ, आई विल गिव सम मोर सम्स. एक्सरसाइज 1 का ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज 1 का फर्स्ट ठीक है गाइस, वो थोड़ा ठीक है, एक मिनट. हाँ, फिर एक्सरसाइज 1 का फर्स्ट, फिर एक्सरसाइज 4. दिस एक्सरसाइज 1 का फर्स्ट, एक्सरसाइज 4 में 11th. ओके, हाँ, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस सम वन मोर टाइम. हाँ, देखो इसमें गिवन है ईच स्टेप इज ऑफ ईच स्टेप 10 सेंटीमीटर का है इसमें यहाँ पर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ईच स्टेप इज ऑफ दिया है ईच स्टेप इज ऑफ 80 सेंटीमीटर. सॉरी, हाँ, 80 सेंटीमीटर, करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अब 80 सेंटीमीटर है. अब पर्सन जो है एक टाइम पे कितना लेता है, 10 स्टेप्स लेता है, पूरे 10 स्टेप्स, पूरे 10 स्टेप. ये पूरे 10 स्टेप्स हो गए. पूरे 10 स्टेप्स का लेंथ कितना हो जाएगा, 800 सेंटीमीटर,
Yes, sir.
विच इज इक्वल टू 8 मीटर्स. फिर अब यहाँ से फिर लेफ्ट लिया, फिर 10 स्टेप्स, 10. सी, दिस इज अगेन 8 मीटर्स.
Yes.
अब अगर मान लो पर्सन जो है इधर आता है तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट के करीब हो जाएगा. सो पर्सन क्या करेगा, इधर जाएगा, दूर जाना है उसको.
Yes, sir.
सो पर्सन ऐसे ले लेगा, राइट.
Yes, sir.
अब फिर अगर पर्सन यहाँ से इधर आ जाता तो फिर आप उसके पास आ जाता. अगेन पर्सन अवे जाना है, दूर लेगा,
Yes.
लाइक दिस वन. तो यहाँ पहुंच गया पर्सन. नाउ दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट.
Yes, sir.
And how will you find? By Pythagoras theorem you draw perpendiculars. The right angle triangle बन जाएगा. This is 8, this is also 8, this is 8, this is also 8. Now you can do this one and find Pythagoras theorem से ही आ जाएगा.
Yes.
Understood, Tanish?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, okay.
Hello.
Somebody speaking. Yes, हाँ.
Sir, can you please explain the previous question?
Second वाला. This one.
Sir,
Question.
नहीं सर, इसके पहले वाला, इसके पहले वाला.
इसके पहले और इसके पहले वाला which one?
हाँ सर, ये. हाँ सर, this example that you taught.
वो ये वाला. हाँ,
Yes.
देखो यहाँ पर क्या था, this
Yes.
vector a vector plus b vector is this vector, right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये फर्स्ट वेक्टर हो गया, ये सेकंड हो गया, ये फर्स्ट हो गया एंड दिस इज सेकंड. तो देखो हेड टू टेल पैटर्न में ज्वाइन किया, टेल ऑफ द फर्स्ट से हेड ऑफ द सेकंड वाज द रिजल्टेंट. Correct? Understood now?
Yes, sir, but what is the sin theta equal to 3/5?
नहीं, ये तो अलग एग्जाम्पल हो गया, ये एक अलग एग्जाम्पल हो गया. इफ if in right angle triangle. Next example.
Okay.
Okay guys, अब जो है कौन सा कर रहे हो अभी? 12th वाला आया? 12th वाला स्टूडेंट्स आया क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, doubt on 19.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
12th
Doubt at 90.
12th वाला क्या? Who can explain?
Some other.
Sir, I can.
Okay, Akshat. Yeah. Yes. Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, 12th mate is given that A vector equals B vector plus C vector.
1 minute, Akshat. A vector is equal to B vector plus C vector. And magnitudes given
And
again.
magnitudes of A vector, B vector, and C vector are 5, 3, 4 respectively.
5. Okay, you'll have 4. You'll have 3.
And we need to find the angle between A vector and C vector.
1 minute. So A vector. तो उसका पहले triangle draw करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir. So we start from B vector.
B vector.
Then we
इसमें पहले ये बताओ कि what kind of triangle you will find here?
right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagorean triplets.
Yes, sir.
So ये B हो गया and this will be the C.
Then
Okay.
we will make a perpendicular C, and then the hypotenuse will be A vector.
Okay. Yeah. Hypotenuse is this vector.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, I had a doubt. I did it in the same way, but why did we automatically assume that it's a right angle?
Oh, why can somebody tell?
So because they're
Pythagorean triplet.
The Pythagorean triplet.
Because the given values are Pythagorean.
Okay, yeah. Okay, got it.
अब जो है इसमें yes, अक्षत अब angle
Yes,
between A and C निकालना है भाई.
Yes, sir. The angle between A and C we have to find. So the heads are already joined, so we can find the angle as cos theta.
Okay.
We can take the angle as theta and we can find the angle as cos theta.
एक मिनट. अब guys देखो अब any angle you can find. So if you try to find sin theta will be how much? 4/5. Theta is sine inverse. 4/5. Akshat is saying to find cos theta.
Sir,
Cos theta is 3/5. So theta will be cos inverse 3/5. You can find tan theta. Tan theta is 4/3. Theta, anything you can find. Tan inverse. So which is the matching option?
Sir, option A.
Option A.
Minus 1.
Okay. This is the matching option. So option A. Yes,
Sir, can you please repeat the questions that we had to do?
Questions we had to do, Sagar.
After
ये वाला
12, 13, 14.
और exercise 1 का 1, exercise 4 का 11.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
अरे यार सब हो गया.
Yes.
ये okay.
Sir, doubt on 19.
Okay, ठीक है. Yes, थाम रहा है. Yes,
Sir, in 13th, the answer is B vector is equal to 0, but B vector is equal to 0 vector, no, sir?
No, in 13th one, yes, 13th one कैसे किया?
For me?
Yes, yes.
Sir, 2 minutes, just let me check the sum. 13th one, sir, 2 minutes.
Sir, I mean, shouldn't it be 0 vector, sir, instead of 0?
Sir, A plus B, A minus B, right? So anything else couldn't work. If A plus 0 or A minus 0 is A equal to A and RHS equal to LHS.
Okay, A vector plus B vector.
0, then it would be different. It would be B is equal to minus B.
Okay. Oh, Tamra, you are pointing. He is pointing this way. He's saying it should be 0 vector. Okay.
So therefore B vector equal to 0.
Okay, guys, वो थोड़ा सा printing error हो गया है. Good one, Tamra. नहीं, students is trying to point now.
Sir, both should be equal, no?
he is trying to point that कि यहाँ पे जीरो, यहाँ पे वेक्टर नहीं दिख रहा है इस पॉइंट पे। बस वो थोड़ा सा वहां पे एडिट कर लेना, ये वाला एडिट करना है। हाँ, एडिट हियर। ओके 13th वन। इसमें किसी को डाउट है क्या? 12, 13?
नहीं सर।
ओके
सर सेकंड स्टेप से थर्ड स्टेप का समझाओ ना।
व्हिच वन इन 13th क्वेश्चन?
हाँ सर, वो सेकंड स्टेप से थर्ड स्टेप कैसे मिला?
You are asking about this one ना, 13th one ना, this question ना?
Yes sir.
हाँ देखो इसमें this is an inequality given, so a और a तो हट कैंसिल हो गया, तो you get okay, you are saying कि कैसे आ गया? Okay, b vector is equal to minus of b vector. Now you bring this to other side, b vector plus b vector is 0 vector, so 2b vector is equal to ये ऐसा, b vector is 0 vector. Good. हाँ, next 13 के बाद guys 14th.
Sir, we have done this earlier.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, 120.
120 degree.
Okay, 14th के लिए straight away 120.
So in the homework book, no need to write the steps, no, sir. We
you
already
don't
done
have.
it.
Yes, you don't have to.
Okay, sir.
Any tough, if you find any tough problems now, you just write it. Otherwise, because in the exam we have just multiple choice now, so you just have to take the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you explain 12 and 13 once again?
12th or 13th? 12th, which one, Sean?
Sir, after the drawing part.
But okay, this 12th one.
Yeah, sir, 12th and 13 both.
Okay, see, इसमें जो है, say you have now you got the right angle triangle. अब जो है यहाँ से right angle triangle से this angle we want to find.
Yes, sir.
Cos theta will be how much? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, we got this one. So theta will be cos inverse 3 by 5. So this is the matching option A.
Yes, sir, correct. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir, can you explain 14th?
14th वाला नहीं, 14th का जो हमने एक नोट लिखा था ना, two equal vectors and the resultant is equal to the magnitude of equal vectors, then the angle between them is 120 degree. याद है हमने वो लिखा था एक नोट? What was the note?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? हाँ, इसमें जो है you have written कि if r vector is c1 plus c2 and resultant का magnitude is equal to magnitude of the individual vectors, then the angle between them is 120 degrees. ठीक है, Sean?
Yes, sir.
Next 19th one.
Sir, can I do? Yash.
Okay,
I
Yash.
can.
So,
Yes,
yes, sir. First, sir, then the diagram, the B, C, and A.
Okay, diagram में yes, नहीं, question में yes, it is given that two forces, sum of first sentence, let's go by sentence, huh?
Yes, sir.
So we are
Equation.
given two forces, so sum of the magnitude is 18, मतलब एक x होगा तो दूसरा?
Sir, I've taken ABC.
Okay, you want to take this
So
one?
A vector plus B vector is up 18.
या फिर ऐसा भी ले सकता ना यश, 1x दूसरा 18 minus x?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is equation 1, and then.
Okay, so you want to take A as x, तो B will be 18 minus x, ना?
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
हाँ. अब जो है, what kind of triangle when we involved here?
So right angle
Right angle
triangle.
triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Right
How
angle
did you,
triangle.
yes, how did you find out it is a right angle triangle?
Sir, in
So
the
the
statement
C
it
is
is given
perpendicular.
perpendicular.
Perpendicular meaning it is in 90 degree.
Very good. Resultant is perpendicular to the smaller force, guys. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So ये एक हो गया, ये कैसा हो गया? Say if this is your A vector, this is your B vector, this is the resultant which is perpendicular to the smaller force. This diagram is correct, yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bhai. So this, you are saying this as x, or isko you are calling as, no, you are calling B as 18 minus x, sorry. B as you are calling as 18 minus x. Fir, what is the value of this R?
18.
R is
12.
So
12.
no, sir. Sir, it's x square minus 18 minus x the whole square.
Okay.
It's that. Yes.
Now, how will you solve this one?
Using Pythagoras theorem.
Okay, Pythagoras. So Pythagoras say, what will be the equation? Please tell.
X square is equal to 12 square plus 18 minus x square.
Okay.
So yes, sir. Taking that side.
Yeah, let's go solve. Okay. (18 into 18).
324.
324. (36x). So, और ये कितना हो जाएगा? This will
468.
be 468. Okay.
Hence x is 13 and that means A is 13 and B is 5. That means the B option is correct.
Okay, A जो आ रहा है तुम्हारा 13 आ गया. B कितना आ गया? 18 minus x. Okay. 18 minus x. So ये 5 आ रहा है. Okay. Guys, please check the
I have
answer.
another method.
Okay,
सर वो
हाँ.
triangle का कैसे किया आपने?
Which one? Which one?
Triangle.
Oh, right angle कैसे किया? हाँ. Yes, please explain it again.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's in the question it is written it is perpendicular, right? So
Yes.
hence whenever the word perpendicular comes, that means you have to understand it is 90 degree. So 90 degrees formed, and as soon as the 90 degree formed, then you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem.
But where we have to apply that 90 degree? How will
Angle, hence.
No. जैसे he is saying कि जैसे ही perpendicular पता चला, if one side is perpendicular to the other side, that means the triangle involved is definitely a right triangle. So right triangle मिल गया. This is the first vector, this is the second vector, and this is the resultant. So, and this is x, this is 18 minus x, and resultant they have given as 12. So now he is solving this way.
सर रिजल्टेंट वाले फॉर्मूला से भी कर सकते हैं ना? R is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta.
नहीं अभी मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं है ना बोला.
Okay, sir.
Parallelogram rule I have not taught अभी. हाँ.
Sir, I have a different method.
हाँ हर्ष क्या method different method है? हाँ.
Yes, sir. Like it would be easier for calculation. Sir, if we take 18 minus x, y, and if we shift it on the other side, so we can use x square, it would be x square minus y square, and we know the value of x plus y, so we can from
हाँ,
there.
हाँ उसी यश ने भी ऐसे ही किया. दोनों का sum जो है 18 है, तो if you take one as x, so the second one will be 18 minus x.
Yes, but in that we do not have to find 18 square.
Okay. Directly मतलब हाँ. चलो. इसमें किसी को doubt students please tell 19th वाला.
Sir.
Yes, हाँ.
So we can do this some orally also, no? Right? Like you have to find the Pythagorean triplet.
Okay. Guys, he is saying what he is saying is कि अगर right angle triangle है Pythagorean triplet है, तो ये वाला 12 है, 5 13, वो कह रहा है कि डायरेक्टली हो जाता।
यस सर।
ठीक है, गुड गुड। हाँ ठीक है, चलो ठीक है गाइस, नेक्स्ट वाला करो, एक्सरसाइज 1 का फर्स्ट वाला।
Sir, done.
Yes, sir, done.
So same thing, just
Sir, same format.
Yeah, sir.
ओके, एक मिनट। हाँ ठीक है,
Sir, normal means perpendicular, no, sir?
नॉर्मल मींस परपेंडिकुलर। यस हाँ,
Yes.
Okay, sir.
एक्सरसाइज 1 का फर्स्ट। गाइस 1 मिनट। हाँ 1 मिनट है, 1 मिनट। Yes students, exercise 1 का first, who can tell?
Yes.
For me.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay guys, हाँ please tell. Same है ना? Check out. Okay.
Yes, sir, same format.
Yeah, sir, same
Sir,
format.
exercise 4 you have given second or the 11th one?
Exercise 4 का
11.
Okay, sir, thank you.
11th वाला।
सर आप कौन से पेज नंबर की बात कर रहे हो?
एक्सरसाइज 1 क्या? एक्सरसाइज 1 जो है इज इन पेज नंबर, बुक में पेज नंबर 19 है। बुक पे पेज नंबर 19 प्रिंट है। पीडीएफ में आई गेस 23 होगा।
22 है सर।
22, ओके ओके। गाइस यहाँ पे तो x and 16 minus x, ओके। ओ तो यहाँ पर ऐसा हो जाएगा, ओके, दिस इज a वेक्टर जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड इज x, b वेक्टर जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड इज 16 minus x और रिजल्टेंट इज परपेंडिकुलर।
Sir, normal means perpendicular.
Normal means perpendicular, guys. Huh? Normal means.
So we have to do the 11th one, sir. You told.
Yes, हाँ. Exercise 4 का 11th, हाँ.
Okay, sir.
And sir, exercise 1 में सिर्फ first वाला ही था.
Yes, yes. Exercise 1 में first वाला था. अब ये बताओ कि इसके बाद यहाँ से मैं क्या करूँ? यहाँ resultant is 8. Okay, guys. हाँ. फिर again Pythagorean जो है आ जाएगा x square is equal to 8 square plus 16 minus x whole square. या फिर one student pointed out ना, ये right angle triangle है, तो
हाँ सर,
एक बच्चे ने बोला ना ये क्या होना चाहिए, 6 8 10 वाला होना चाहिए। ओके ओके, चलो ठीक है।
सर वो रिजल्टेंट वाला फॉर्मूला चलेगा ना?
लेकिन अभी हाँ, लेट मी ड्रॉ पैराग्राम रूल तो अभी पढ़ाने दो, अभी तो आगे पहुंचे नहीं है। वी आर इन ट्रायंगल। एक मिनट रुक जाओ, हाँ ये पॉलीगन पढ़ा के कराता हूँ, जल्दी रुक जाओ। Ankita, got all the sums ना, getting all the sums here? Gargi getting all the sums now?
Yes, sir.
मैग्नीट्यूड हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही आएगा ना?
Yes, magnitude is always positive.
हाँ सर, तो 11th हो गया.
11 भी हो गया. Good.
Sir, I got
Yes,
as
sir,
X as
हो गया.
10. Sir, I got X
yeah.
as 10.
X, Simant, okay, here X, you got X as 10, okay. X 10 आ जाएगा दूसरा, so A is equal to X equal to 10, B जो जाएगा 6 आ जाएगा, 16 minus X, हाँ. B is 16 minus X, which is 6.
सर आप एक बार मैसेज कर देना ग्रुप पे कि क्या क्या सम्स करना है बुकलेट में सर.
Okay, 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 हाँ हाँ ठीक है, I will message. चलो guys, आगे करें क्या? इसको can we have exercise for 11th as a homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can we go ahead?
I have done.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, guys, let's move ahead. Huh? Polygon rule. Guys, one more thing. What you have scheduled tomorrow? What is your schedule?
Tomorrow no.
Sir, tomorrow
No class, right?
We are free.
Like if I call you guys for one class, can everybody will come?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Extra class, sir.
Yes, actually, Thamre, the other batch is little ahead, na? So I
No,
want you
just
guys-
just confirming, sir. Timing, sir, for extra.
Oh, timing.
class.
Sir, timings, please.
Timings, जो है, guys, what timing would be good for you?
Sir, morning
10.
only 8 to 10.
This time.
9 or 10.
10.
Sir, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock is okay.
So 10.
10, 10.
So 8.
Sir, 8
10
o'clock.
to
10
ठीक है, guys. Is it okay? 9:30?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8, sir.
9 to
10.
9 to 10:30, okay, na?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
9. Somebody have okay. Somebody sleeps late, क्या people? ठीक है, guys. Okay, 10 कर लेते हैं. चलो 10 to 11:30, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 9
yes, sir.
नहीं कुछ बचे.
Sir,
Some
please
paragraph.
message the exact timing at WhatsApp now.
Yes, 10. I will send you the link also in my group. 10 to 11:30 will keep so that कुछ बच्चे इसमें सोते हैं गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. चलो हम अब जो है guys, next move on. Thank you. Polygon rule. Poly, many sides. Guys, जैसे triangle rule था guys. इसमें हम कुछ ज्यादा कैलकुलेशंस किसके लिए कर रहे थे? जब जहां भी हमें राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल दिख रहा है तो हम ठीक है ट्रायंगल रूल को अच्छे से यूज करके सॉल्व कर ले रहे थे. और वहां पे यू कैन ऐड ओनली 2 वेक्टर्स एट अ टाइम. यहाँ पर पॉलीगन फ्रॉम द नेम यू कैन सी यू कैन ऐड मेनी वेक्टर्स एट अ टाइम. यू कैन ऐड मेनी वेक्टर्स एट अ टाइम. अब इसमें भी गाइस क्वालिटेटिव करेंगे, ज्यादा कैलकुलेशंस इसमें नहीं करेंगे. और एंड इट इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल रूल. सी कैसे है, देखो अगर मान लो कोई पर्सन यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ, से पॉइंट ए से स्टार्ट हुआ, पर्सन ए से बी गया, फिर बी से सी, फिर सी से डी गया. सो अंकिता, व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्टेंट डिस्प्लेसमेंट? A to D. रिजल्टेंट डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा AD. सो विल राइट एज, कैसे लिखोगे? AB वेक्टर प्लस BC वेक्टर प्लस CD वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू AD वेक्टर. ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ यू विल राइट AD वेक्टर. अब जो है ठीक है, प्रूफ. सीमांत, हाउ विल यू प्रूव इट? हाउ विल यू प्रूव दिस रिलेशन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how will you prove this one? AB vector plus BC vector plus CD vector is AD vector. How will you prove it?
Sir.
Yes, Krishanu.
So AB vector plus BC vector will be AC vector.
Okay. Part by part कर रहे हो. Okay, Sagar.
Sir,
Sir, can I?
Okay, हाँ. Yes,
Sir.
हाँ.
sir,
Yes, please.
if the
AB
person goes
vector
from
plus
A to
BC
B,
vector plus CD vector is minus AD vector is equal to 0.
Okay, okay. Okay, हाँ. Okay, she is saying कि अगर यहाँ से start कर लो, वापस घूम के यहीं पे आ जाओ. So she is saying कि भाई घूम के वापस यहीं पे आओ. तो AB vector
total is 0.
AB plus BC vector plus CD vector plus DA vector.
DA vector
is a null vector.
Sir?
You want to find sum of this three, तो क्या हो जाएगा? AB vector plus BC vector plus CD vector is minus of DA vector.
ये vector.
Minus of DA guys, देखो ये DA है, ये DA है, और इसका minus क्या हो जाएगा? AD vector.
Plus.
Which is this one.
Sir?
Yes, हाँ.
Sir, we could make a construction and then also prove this one.
ओ हाँ, पार्ट बाय पार्ट, या फिर उसका मेथड सही है कि जहां से स्टार्ट हो गए वापस वहीं पे आए और उससे हो जा रहा है. ठीक है ना गाइस, इसको प्लीज कॉपी करो.
So you can explain this part again.
हाँ श्याम, देखो इसमें क्या हुआ, एक बंदा यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है AB, फिर यहाँ से इधर गया B to C, फिर यहाँ से इधर गया C to D. हाँ, तो क्या हो गया देखो, दिस वेक्टर प्लस दिस वेक्टर ये निकालना है, तो ये कैसे होगा? ये हो जाएगा रिजल्टेंट, राइट?
Yes sir.
एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस वन. तो प्रूव करने के लिए उसने क्या किया, यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ, फिर यहाँ से इधर, फिर यहाँ से इधर, और वापस यहीं पे आ गए.
Okay.
So, if you come back to starting point, then the result net will be 0.
Yes sir.
So now you want to find the sum of these three. Take this to other side. Minus of DA. DA is this one. तो इसका minus ही हो जाएगा, right?
AD.
हाँ.
Okay. Yeah sir.
Sir, instead of DA vector, can we directly take minus AD vector just as we did in the sum?
Yes, yes, yes. हाँ, वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. चलो, अब guys इसमें steps लिखने हैं, इसके steps. हाँ.
In these type of question, they won't give us angle.
हाँ नहीं, इसमें ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं, हाँ, इसके लिए जब मोर देन वेक्टर्स हैं तो हमारे पास बाकी दो रूल से हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, पैरेललोग्राम और कंपोनेंट से उससे ज्यादा वर्क करेंगे हम. हाँ.
Okay.
अब गाइस इसमें स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप, अरेंज all the vectors. Arrange all the vectors to be added. Arrange all the vectors to be added in head to tail pattern. Head to tail pattern मतलब जो है head of the first, tail of the second के साथ, फिर tail head of the second, tail of third के साथ, ऐसा. हाँ, head to tail pattern.
Sir.
Second. हाँ.
Here we are adding in tail to head, no, but AB, BC like that.
Yes, AB vector फिर plus BC vector plus CD vector. Yes, हाँ. फिर क्या हो जाएगा? Closing side of polygon. हाँ, closing side of polygon. From closing side of the polygon from tail of first vector to head of last vector is the resultant vector. Guys, ये everybody understood?
So in tail to head pattern, right?
हाँ, मतलब head to tail कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, एक का head दूसरे के tail के साथ, फिर head.
So like that.
Like that. चलो ठीक है, ये हो गया. तो can I move on to the next slide?
Sir, second point can also be applicable in triangle rule also.
हाँ, ये तो हाँ, मतलब यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, टू साइड या मोर देन, यहाँ सबके लिए तो जनरल हो गया ना. यस. Tamram, you are saying something.
Sir, you asked that whether we wrote. I said yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
So can you go to
Can
the
you wait
last
for a
slide
minute?
for a minute?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Abhijit, you have copied this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Next, third rule पे आते हैं फिर, हाँ? So parallelogram rule. Okay, guys. अब guys देखो यहाँ पे जो है इसके पहले तक के लिए we must be clear कि पहला थोड़ा सा confusing कहाँ पे होगा. पहला definition we should be remembering. Definition कौन सा? Angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors निकालना है guys, आपको tail and tail ही join करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, ठीक है. एक तो हो गया एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स. फिर ट्रायंगल रूल में स्टेप्स क्या थे? एक का हेड दूसरे के टेल के साथ ज्वाइन करो, क्लोजिंग साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज द रिजल्टेंट. और पॉलीगन में भी हमने डिस्कस किया. अब पैरेललोग्राम रूल में आते हैं. हाँ, चलो ठीक है. पैरेललोग्राम रूल में भी जो है यू कैन ऐड हियर. लेट मी राइट. हाँ, पहले पूरा लिख लेता हूँ. तो हियर वी कैन ऐड ओनली टू वेक्टर्स एट अ टाइम. Two vectors at a time.
Sir, so we have to split the problem into two vectors and add them.
If I would 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, Tamra. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Ab see, so we can add only two vectors at a time. Isme what you will be given? You will be given magnitude of two vectors. Magnitude of both vectors you will be given. You will be given magnitude of both vectors and angle information given. Angle means like the angle between their tails. Angle information will be given. Angle information will be given. So when you are given this, then you should apply. When two vectors magnitudes and the angle information is given, then you should apply parallelogram rule. And it is a fastest way for calculating magnitude of resultant of two vectors. If more than two vectors are given, then we prefer for the next rule, component rule. Component rule we prefer. That we will study later on after this. First we have to practice this one, parallelogram rule. Okay. Now let us come. What is parallelogram rule? So these are the points. Now see what you are given. I said what you will be given. You will be given two vectors, guys. So this is the first vector and this is the second vector. Say this is the first vector A, this is the second vector B. Magnitude is given, guys, and their tails and tails are joined, and see this angle theta is given. So here, what you are given? Two vectors, magnitude of the first vector, magnitude of the second vector. Both vectors magnitude are given, and the angle information is given. Angle between their tails given. Now, so guys, think in this way. There is a box, there is a suitcase lying on the floor. Okay. Now two brothers are pulling. One kid pulls this way, the other kid pulls this way simultaneously. Say this is a suitcase lying on a floor. One person is pulling this way, other person is pulling this way. Where will this suitcase go?
The one who applies rate force.
The angle bisector.
In between length.
Angle bisector.
Greater force.
Yes. So you can say that somewhere in between it will go. Does everybody agree?
Yes, sir. Approximately between.
Yes, somewhere
Yes,
it may
sir.
go like somewhere in between. It may go. So everybody agrees with this one. Like
So
if
we
there
can
is-
take that B and replace over there with parallelly
okay, that will do. One
head to
minute.
tail.
That one we will do that one. 1 minute.
Okay.
So, so see, parallelogram के लिए I am trying to tell ki what you will be given. You will be given two vectors, angle information given. Now resultant will lie somewhere in between. So now see, resultant of two vectors we want to find. A vector plus B vector we want to find. Now we will prove this now, guys. To prove, let's write what we have to prove first. The resultant R will lie somewhere in between. That we will prove also. R vector will lie somewhere in between A vector and B vector. This will prove. This resultant is gonna lie somewhere in between A and B. Also, we have to prove now this resultant is a vector. So this vector will have magnitude. So now we will prove that its magnitude of vector R, this we have to prove, is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Theta is the angle between them, guys. Angle. And this resultant is a vector, so it will also have direction. So for direction, what you will do, if this is your base vector, this angle is say alpha. So we will show that tan alpha is equal to
A sin theta upon A plus B cos theta.
I have taken this as a base vector. So
Okay.
B sin
Okay.
theta upon A plus B cos theta. So guys, this all three we have to prove now.
Sir, what it is?
Excuse
Tan
me, sir.
alpha.
I didn't understand the third one.
Third one you didn't understand. 1 minute. See.
I didn't understand the second one.
Second one you didn't understand. 1 minute. See.
Sir, both of them can be applicable in the triangle law also, right? Because like
Yes. From there only we will derive. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है. देखो, इसमें जो है first proof was resultant will lie somewhere in between. अब resultant is a vector. Vector has got magnitude and direction. Magnitude, value. So this length, this value will show it, will prove that this value is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This will prove. Also, we have to prove that if it this is a vector, so it has got direction also. So what we will say that this resultant, and this is your A vector. So angle between the resultant and the A vector, let us call this angle as alpha. Let us name this angle as alpha. So we will show that tan alpha is equal to this value, B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, isn't this like triangle of addition, sir? If we
Yes. From there only we'll show now one by one. 1 minute.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But sir, there isn't 90 degrees, so why we are taking cos, sin, and tan?
Oh, how will you get this one? You're saying. Let me derive it. Let me prove it once. Then we can do.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me prove it. Then we'll discuss.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, we cannot take B square cos square theta. That second one wala.
No. That is 2AB cos theta only. Okay. Let me
sir.
prove. Let me prove. ठीक है. चलो. अब जो है proof के लिए. So we'll prove the first one. So here, what you will be given? You will be given two vectors. A is the base, B is this one, and you will be given this angle theta. So magnitude of two vectors and the angle information given. Now, we have studied if you displace a vector parallel to itself, it does not change. So let us displace B parallel to itself like this. B. Parallel, this angle theta, this, if you are displacing parallel, this angle will also be theta. This you displace parallel to itself. A also you displace it. See, now the figure formed is parallelogram. Hence the name parallelogram rule. Okay. But we wanted to prove resultant will lie somewhere in between. So let us take the help of triangle rule now. See, this is A vector. Now we got B here now. See, this is B vector. So let us we are taking the help of triangle rule. So head of the first vector is joined to the tail of the second vector. And we know by triangle rule, if you are adding this vector and this vector, where will be the resultant?
AB.
AB. Tail of the first vector to the head of the second. This one is the resultant. So that means resultant will come this way. Correct?
Sir, so resultant is the diagonal of parallelogram.
Yes, yes, yes. So guys, see resultant. How did we get resultant? See, this
So
is the
we
resultant.
should draw those diagrams, sir, that parallelogram and all.
This, yes, this is the parallelogram we are getting. Yes, that's why the name parallelogram rule.
So we should draw those diagrams, sir.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. This is how we have proved. The first one, the resultant will lie somewhere in between. We proved it using triangle rule.
Sir?
Yes,
Sir, the second point you wrote looks very familiar to the cosine rule we apply in triangles.
Yes, but you have not studied now. I cannot like cosine rule. You have not studied in triangle. Do you have studied?
So here we have not studied.
Yes, yes, yeah. Here, I guess not like in maths they teach, but I guess the maths trigonometry when they start they will teach you. Yes. But
Sir,
see,
but
yes,
you taught trigonometry, no, sir. The basics which we need.
yes, yes, yes. We will. That's why we won't use that one. We will use like the basics. Which one? We can use the Pythagoras. We will use because that you have used it extensively. So I will be using that one. Huh? Maths mein you can use that one. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you explain the proof again?
Oh, proof. Okay. See, proof mein what we have done. The first point. We wanted to prove that resultant will lie somewhere in between A and B. So this is the first vector. This is the second. So what we will do? See, you have joined, take the help of triangle rule. You have joined the head of the first to the tail of the second. Now, the resultant will be the tail from the tail of the first to the head of the second. This will be the resultant by triangle rule. Correct?
Yes, sir.
By triangle rule, this will be this. So this means this is your resultant. This is your resultant. So that means in this diagram, this is your resultant. So that means you are able to show that resultant will lie somewhere in between A and B.
Sir, but in the starting, how did we get the parallelogram?
Oh, how did we get parallelogram? See, if you displace sides parallel, this side is parallel to this side is parallel to this. So this diagram is a parallelogram.
Yes, sir. So this is formed by displacing the vectors.
Yes, displacing a vector parallel to itself, because when you displace a vector parallel to itself, it does not change.
So, but it will be a rhombus as well, right?
Oh, एक particular case में when all sides are equal, then no, when all are equal. Okay, you all are copied, so I can go for the next proof, second proof.
Yes.
So just 10 seconds.
Okay.
So
yes, Samir.
So we will understand this formula only after that trigonometry is taught, sir.
No. I will, you can use this formula directly. I will derive it using Pythagoras theorem that you
Sir,
can
but
easily
you
understand.
were saying that we won't understand it right.
No. He was talking about there is one other rule called cosine rule.
Okay, sir.
That cosine rule you have not been taught. So let us not prove do by that method. Let us use Pythagoras theorem to prove this one.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but the formula is the same, right, for cosine rule and this?
हाँ, लेकिन ठीक है, लेकिन अभी let us not talk. Yes, बोला ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, can I move on to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the second proof, हाँ. Okay, second proof के लिए ठीक है, guys. तो second के लिए, okay. So guys, इसमें जो है, let us draw the vectors. First vector, second vector. This is the base vector A. This is B. ये angle theta given है, tails and tails joined. ठीक है. Now we will displace parallel. तो इसको parallelly displace कर दिया. We will displace parallel. This is, you have displaced parallel. This is your
second proof.
हाँ, second proof. Yes. ये भी angle theta होगा, guys. हाँ, ये corresponding angles. हाँ. ये guys, ये वाला यहाँ तक everybody understood ना? ये वाला, इसमें किसी को doubt?
Yes, sir.
No doubt.
अब देखो, guys, एक और याद रखना है. Let's say if you have a right angle triangle. Suppose you have a right. Okay, 1 minute. Let's not draw it here. I will use that page. Suppose we have a right angle triangle. तो right angle triangle में जैसा ऐसा है मतलब. Say we have a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. If this side is B, ये वाला angle theta. This adjacent side will be B cos theta. Opposite side will be B sin theta. This you can prove. See how cos theta. Cos theta कैसे आ जाएगा?
Yes.
Cos theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse, है ना? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So x कितना हो जाएगा? B cos theta. Similarly, sin theta कितना हो जाएगा? Sin theta will be opposite upon hypotenuse. So y will be B sin theta. So that means in a right angle triangle, if you know the hypotenuse angle, the adjacent side will be B cos theta, opposite will be B sin theta. So now let's next come to our proof. इसमें जो है इसको parallelly displace करेंगे. Okay, now this becomes a parallelogram. This इसका भी magnitude A आ जाएगा.
Could you show the next slide? 1 second, sir.
Oh, that thing, yeah. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
It's मतलब कुछ ये खास नहीं. Definitely, जैसे अगर कि मान लो if you have a right angle triangle, if hypotenuse is D, this angle theta, this will be D cos theta. Adjacent वाला D cos theta, opposite वाला D sin theta.
Okay, sir.
Sir, अब तक हमने second वाला prove नहीं किया है ना?
नहीं, अब second we are going to prove now. We are proving
yes,
now.
Yes, sir. I wrote, sir.
Oh, you wrote, huh? Now see, अब जो है, let us mark this name A, B, C, D. And see, we know that this is the resultant. This we have just proved the first one. This is the resultant. This is the resultant. R vector is equal to A vector plus B vector, and we have proved that this is the resultant. And we want to find its magnitude, means length. We want to find length AC. Okay. So to prove that, let us drop perpendicular. Perpendicular. Let us call this as E. Now, see what you have here. You have this one. This is your right angle triangle BCE. Your hypotenuse is B. This angle theta. So this will be B cos theta, and this will be B sin theta. Okay. So now this will be B cos theta, B sin theta. Guys, our aim is to find the magnitude of vector R. Magnitude, length. This length we want to find. See this length. इसका लेंथ कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? नाउ वी विल यूज राइट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, टेक द हेल्प ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. So now we will take triangle, which one? ACE, right triangle. You will take right triangle ACE, apply Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem, what you will write? So in Pythagoras theorem, you will write AC square is equal to AE square plus, see this one, AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. Yes, AC is R. Let us write as R square. AE means from here till here. This one.
A plus B cos.
A plus B cos.
AB plus BE.
So this will be A plus B cos theta. Now C is this length, guys. C is this whole length. This length, this length. So guys, this length will be B sin
theta
whole square. So now see R square. Now you expand, open it. A square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square cos square theta. So from here we got 3 terms. Now here this is remaining B square sin square theta. Now what you can do? This one, A square plus 2AB cos theta. And you take.
We can take common and cancel.
Yes, B square common. Then you write cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So you'll get now A square plus B square plus this is 1, 2AB cos theta only. This is 1. So now see R. R will be square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now see, third proof was to find this angle alpha. Again, we will take a right triangle ACE. We will take. Now in the right triangle ACE, you will write tan alpha is equal to CE upon AE. CE is B sin theta.
Sir, can you scroll it down?
1 minute, A plus B cos theta. So here we are able to prove that tan alpha B sin theta A plus B cos theta. This was the third one.
Sir, why are we finding tan alpha?
What you're saying? How to?
Why are we finding tan alpha?
Oh no, see, resultant is a vector.
Yes.
So vector has 2 informations. What are the 2 information? It has got its magnitude and direction also. So you have to tell direction. And for the direction, we are saying it is at an angle alpha with the A vector like that.
Sir, can you explain tan alpha again?
Oh yes, tan alpha. For the tan alpha, what we are doing is we are taking this right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, tan alpha will be opposite upon adjacent. And opposite is CE, adjacent will be whole length, AE. CE and AE. CE is B sin theta, AE is A plus B cos theta.
Yes, sir, understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Tamra, understood this proof, no? This was not tough.
Sir, this is not tough, sir.
Yes,
It's
yes.
easy.
So do we need to learn the proofs? Or only the formula?
No, formula, yes, formula you have to memorize. But proof also, like if you keep in mind now, that then it will have like, it tells you like you have a good grip on the subject, yes.
Okay.
Okay, guys, can I move on to the next slide? If everybody has
So
got
1 minute. 1 minute, sir.
Sir, in the third last step of R, finding the value of R, you have taken the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta as 1. So, is it by using that formula?
Yes. See, here, what we have done is this will 1 minute. Let me write that one. R square. This is R square is A square plus B A square plus 2AB cos theta, and cos square plus sin square theta is 1, like this.
So,
Yes,
so the value for cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So do we have any proof for that?
Oh, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. आपने 9/10 में था, I guess, guys.
Trigonometric identity.
में था सर, trigonometric identity.
Trigonometric identity उसमें से आप कर सकते हैं ना. You can go through that. वही write sin theta, sin square theta, cos square theta, and find square and add them. You'll get it. Pythagoras से हो जाएगा.
We did not have that.
Okay, हाँ, Pythagoras से हो जाएगा, correct.
So we did not have that thing.
Oh, you did not do. Okay, guys, कोई proof भेज सकता है क्या group में?
Proof of what?
This sin square theta plus cos square theta group कोई proof कोई group में डाल दो please.
So
Sir, after class, will you provide us all the notes? Yeah.
Yes. Huh.
Okay.
Both the class notes. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
First one and this is the second one. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Guys, can I go on to the next slide?
So just a minute.
Okay.
Sir, we have to put the proof in the group, sir.
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, I will move on to the next slide, guys. Ankita, copy this one, no? Once done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. चलो guys, ठीक है. अब जो है, let's say we take values and do some calculations. Say A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8, and angle between the vectors is theta. Huh? Like this, guys. Say this is A. By A की value 6, B की value 8, tail and tail joined, ये angle theta. So guys, अब आपको जो है ये values मुझे बतानी है. So angle theta की अलग अलग values ले लेते हैं. Let's take theta is first 0 लेना है. Theta 0, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120, 180. Guys, इसकी value बतानी है. And you have the formula now. This is the formula: A square B square plus 2AB cos theta. Huh? So
Sir,
R
is
is
this question, sir?
Yes, it's a question. Yes, example. Huh? 6 square plus 8 square plus 2 into 6 into 8 into cos theta. So theta is different. Huh? अलग-अलग theta के लिए.
So first one is 14.
First one is 14. Okay.
Sir, only resultant vector we have to find, no, sir. Why extra columns, sir?
Oh, this is for my comments. Huh?
Okay, sir.
So how 14 and 0? Oh, that's fine. Yes, sir.
So second one is 2 root 37.
Yes, sir.
Root of which is root of
148.
148.
Good. Okay.
148. So third one is 10.
Sir, 142, no, sir. That 60-degree angle.
1 minute.
So fourth one is root 52.
The last one is 2.
Yes, sir. 148, sir. I was mistaken, sir.
This one is Tamra. This is 60 1/2.
Yes, sir. I made a mistake, sir.
Last one is, guys?
2.
So what to write in comments?
1 minute. हाँ तो अब जो है इसमें guys देखो सबसे ज्यादा resultant guys when they are 0 means what? 0 means they are in the same direction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A and B are in same direction. So resultant is maximum, guys, here. And maximum resultant is how much? A plus B. 180 means they are in opposite. 180 means, guys, they are in opposite direction. See, this is A and this is B. 180 means opposite direction, guys. See, देखो. So that means देखो यहाँ पर resultant. तो resultant क्या जाएगा? Minimum. Resultant will be minimum here. And this will be A minus B or B minus A. So our minimum value. Our minimum can be A minus B or our minimum can be B minus A. So guys, in maths, they write as mod of A minus B. Mod means, guys, magnitude. It cannot be negative. So either 6 minus 8 or 8 minus 6. You'll get us this mod sign ensures that the number which gets outside is positive. And see, so this two we have discussed. This 90 degrees means what? 90 degrees means this one is 6. A is equal to 6. This is 8. So in 90 degrees, when you have 90 degrees, how will you do? 6 square plus 8 square plus 2 into 6 into 8 into 9 cos 90. Guys, cos 90 is how much?
1 upon root 2.
0.
Cos 90 is 0.
0.
So you get like this. So you get like this. See. So this means this is what? Pythagorean answer. This is when you have the angle 90. So you see you are getting Pythagorean result. See, this is 6. This is 8. So resultant hypotenuse 10, no?
Yes, sir.
So that means resultant will always lie between. Resultant will be always less than A plus B and always greater than or equal to A minus B mod. So that means this is maximum value, guys. This is R maximum, R MX max, and this is R resultant minimum. So that means if I take an example, suppose if I take one example, let's say I take just say here I took A as 6, B as 8. So that means our resultant. So how much you will get? Our maximum will be A plus B, which is 40. Our minimum mod of A minus B 8 minus 6 or sorry 6 minus 8 whatever, anyway it is a mod, so this will be 2 only. So resultant will lie between 2 and how much? 14. Say suppose you are given one vector is 3, other vector is 7, so resultant will be between where and which and where?
3 and 10 and 4. 4 and 10.
10 and 4.
It will lie between. So resultant will always be between these two numbers, 4 and 10. Say one is 7, yeah, one is say 4, B is 11. In this case, resultant
7 and 15.
7 and 15.
7 and 15.
Guys, ये वाला everybody is understood this one?
So can you repeat it?
Yes, sir.
See, 1 minute, huh?
So can you explain again this?
1 minute I will explain. See, guys, 1 minute. बाकी जिसको आ गया है 1 minute, huh? I will give homework and those guys can give 1 minute, huh? Let me write homework. 1 minute, guys. Homework के लिए
So homework for tomorrow's class?
Yes. Can I give you some questions? Few questions. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, मेरे पास जो book page है, book page में 7 है, book page number 7. In that I see in chapter exercise. Do you guys also see in chapter exercise?
Yes,
sir. Yes.
उसमें we have the question.
Module, sir, in the module.
Yes, in the module. Yes, in the module. Booklet. In first and second question, guys, we have 2 questions over there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I don't find it.
Can somebody please tell the page number? Is this correct? Page 7.
So
Yes,
it's
sir,
PDF page number
10.
10 and it's at the top of the page.
PDF page is how much?
10.
10.
PDF page 10. In the top of the page.
So there are only 2 questions. No?
Okay, there are 2 questions only. Okay. Now, okay, this one ये हो गया और जो है ठीक है JEE mains. अब JEE main तो you can find out, हाँ guys. JEE main में जो है please try attempt 3rd, 4th, 5th. Can I give you some more?
Yes.
So the same
tomorrow,
17-page exercise one, right?
Yes, yes, हाँ उसी में ही correct. Now,
सर 3, 4, 5 का PDF पेज भी 10 है.
Oh, इसका
20 बुकलेट का पेज.
Sir 20.
Page 20.
17.
इसका पेज should I write क्या? Okay. एक मिनट, इसका पेज 20. PDF पेज 20. Okay. PDF पेज 20. 3, 4, 5. फिर जो है 1 minute.
Can you send all this homework on the group?
So do we have to write a detailed solution for each question?
No. फिर जो है guys.
Then we have to write only the options, sir.
Yes, only the options. Yes.
And sir, not even the question.
But for the previous questions, I wrote the steps also.
It's okay. I mean, you can like you don't have to right. Like whenever if you find it stuff, then you write it. Otherwise, like for the later use, huh?
Okay, sir.
Sir, in JEE only answers are required, right?
Only options. JEE only options. Yes.
Like you should know the solution.
Yes. Guys,
Sir, no need to write question.
You don't need to write questions, guys. Huh? Just please mark just exercise 1 like that, huh? फिर जो है guys और दे रहा हूँ, हाँ exercise 1 का 5 also. 5 फिर उसके बाद 6, 7. Is it okay ना? थोड़ा ज्यादा questions रहेगा, tough रहेगा तो it's not.
PDF का sir?
Yes, sir.
Exercise 1 guys, हाँ exercise 1 में 5, 6, 7 उसी exercise में जो है.
Sir, the 11th question is in which exercise, sir? That one you gave homework earlier, no, sir?
Oh, that was exercise 4. Okay, I will write it again also. 1 minute, huh?
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Huh? ये 14. Guys, इसका solutions I have sent क्या? PDF solutions I have sent?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I will send today.
Sir, we have to solve this before tomorrow's class.
Is it okay? Like you guys, it will be okay, or shall I give you more time?
Okay.
Yes, sir. No, sir, it's fine.
No.
Or is it not possible to solve by tomorrow?
So it is
Possible.
We have to solve so many.
Guys, sir.
Sir, it's possible, sir.
Sir, we have nothing to do.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir, we have nothing to do.
Okay, okay, guys. 1 minute. And the one was exercise 4, no? Exercise 4. Exercise 4, which was 11th one, no? 11th.
Sir, yes, can you draw that diagram?
Okay, guys. जिसका इसका ये वाला हो गया है यहाँ तक, and whoever has noted, anyway, I am going to send this file also. Yes, guys, फिर class is over for them. Those guys can like take rest and practice the sums. Tomorrow, for tomorrow 10 o'clock link I will send. And
Sir, when will you send the link, sir?
Link like I have one more class just now. And the class will get over by 4 o'clock. So 4:30 if I send, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have one
Yes,
more
sir.
class just now.
Tomorrow, when do you have class?
Tomorrow 10 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Like
Yes,
morning.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And don't worry, guys. See, if you don't get this question, don't worry. I will help you tomorrow. Definitely, after solving these questions only, I will teach you the later theory. Don't worry about that.
So is tomorrow a lecture or a doubt class?
No, first I will solve these questions, the homework questions which I have given,
Yes,
and
sir.
then I will teach you theory.
Okay, okay. Sir.
So that.
Sir, can you go to previous page?
Oh yes.
Sir, we can leave also.
Yes, guys. जिसका इसका हो गया,
Hi, sir.
please leave. Bye all. हाँ. जिसका doubts है, please wait.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
So page number 10 or 9.
हाँ, जिसका doubt है, please wait. हाँ.
Yes.
Hi, sir. Thank you.
Bye. हाँ. जिसका इसका हो गया, they guys can please leave. हाँ. हाँ.
Sir, that 19th sum, can you explain again, please?
19th one. Which question was that? इसी आज जो solve किया अभी?
Sir,
that
we haven't
Pythagorean.
solved.
Yes, sir.
Where is 19th one? Starting में है क्या?
JEE main exercise उसमें से शायद.
Okay, JEE main exercise 1 का 19th one. Okay.
तो वो
जो
आपके मेथड से एक बार बताओ ना कैसे.
जो स्टार्टिंग में पहला क्वेश्चन वही था ना? ये वाला? नो, वो तो हमने उससे किया था ना, ट्रायंगल रूल से. वही वाला ना? X 18 minus X, same thing. That is the method I have told. X 18 minus X, correct.
सर वो उसमें डायग्राम कैसे आपने किया वो थोड़ा समझा नहीं.
वो वाला जो है, नहीं ये ऐसा था शायद ना. कहाँ चला गया? JEE main का JEE main 19 वाला से ऐसा था. एक वेक्टर ऐसा, सेकंड वेक्टर ऐसा, एंड दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट. ठीक है, तो दोनों का सम क्या है? 18 है. तो वन इज x, दूसरा इज 18 माइनस x, करेक्ट. एंड रिजल्टेंट इज कितना है यहाँ पर? 12. अब पाइथागोरस से सॉल्व करना है इसको. x स्क्वायर इज 12 स्क्वायर प्लस.
सर वो मेथड समझा, पर वो आपने डायग्राम कैसे किया मतलब?
नहीं, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इन्वॉल्व है.
यस सर.
सो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर लिया. ठीक है, और दिया है resultant is perpendicular to the smaller side. Correct. तो रिजल्टेंट को मैंने परपेंडिकुलर भी ले लिया, तो ये रिजल्टेंट बन जाएगा और ये बाकी दो वेक्टर्स बन जाएंगे, राइट? अंडरस्टूड ना?
Yes.
हाँ गाइस, किसी
Can you explain that A minus B 180 degree that you were explaining?
Oh, A minus B 180 degree.
So could you explain all the comments for it?
No,
ये वाला, हाँ देखो ये वाला कैसा था, इसमें ना हमने क्या किया, ये किसमें, इसमें कैलकुलेशंस में you have doubt क्या?
No, sir. The last page you explained it that minimum will be A minus B 180 degree.
So I have.
नहीं, ये बताओ देखो, मैक्सिमम कब आएगा? जब दोनों सेम डायरेक्शंस में होंगे. डू यू एग्री?
Yes.
तो सेम डायरेक्शन में होंगे तो जस्ट ऐड हो जाएगा. 8 + 6 14 जो आ गया.
Yes.
तो आर मैक्सिमम कितना हो गया? A + B.
Yes.
मिनिमम कब आएगा? जब दोनों अपोजिट होंगे.
Yes.
है ना? तो अपोजिट में कितना आ जाएगा? ये बंदा 8 से खींच रहा है, ये 6, तो रिजल्टेंट क्या आ जाएगा? 8 - 6 2.
Yes, sir.
तो रिजल्टेंट किस, ये मिनिमम वैल्यू हो गई और ये मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हो गई.
Okay, sir.
So resultant will lie between. So resultant will lie between R minimum and R maximum. Correct?
So it's only for 180 degrees.
Minimum के लिए 180 और maximum के लिए angle 0.
Understood, sir.
हाँ.
So,
I
sir,
had
we
it
have
out.
taken the example of cos.
Show the solving of this sum by using the formula.
Ankita, what are you saying?
So can we show the solving of the problem by using the formula?
Yes, we have to use this formula for solving the problems. Yes, correct.
So can you show of 120 degree?
Oh, cos 120 वाला. हाँ ठीक है, 1 मिनट. हाँ देखो इसमें जो है, you know the value of cos 120 is -1/2. Cos 120, Ankita?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, cos 120 की वैल्यू जो है -1/2 आ गई. अब सी, ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, तो व्हाट इज इसके लिए जो है क्या है? 6 स्क्वायर प्लस 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 × 6 × 8. cos 120 is how much? -1/2. This 2 cancels out. R will be R कितना हो जाएगा? This will be 6 square 36 + 64 100 - 48 √52. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, but we can only do this for values whose cos, the value of cos that we know, right?
Exactly करके करें. हाँ.
So sir, you have to remember all the values, right? Even up to 90, you know.
नहीं, the usual angles जो हमारे लिए जरूरत पड़ेंगे. Remember in the first class I gave you only those values.
0,
only those
0,
values.
69. Okay.
Yes. So remember 0, 60, 90 we discussed. हाँ.
So we'll remember, we'll memorize it, right?
Yes, हाँ. We have to memorize. Correct.
Okay, so thank you. Bye.
हाँ.
So you're
guys,
sending the PDF right now.
Yes, हाँ. Guys, don't worry. अगर ये नहीं भी आया होगा ना, tomorrow we'll discuss. I will discuss each and every sum. हाँ. किसी का नहीं भी आया है, so don't worry. I will solve each and every sum. हाँ.
Sir.
Yes, हाँ.
For A minus B, you have used a modulus, and why not for A plus B? Any specific reason?
Oh, A plus B is always positive now, because this.
Okay, yes.
हाँ. Ankita understood now everything?
Yes, sir.
Try the sums. Don't worry. If you don't get it, I will help you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Devanshi.
Sir, what if the parallelogram is by chance a rhombus, like all the sides are equal? So parallelogram rule won't be applicable, right? Then
No, it will be applicable. Just all the sides will be just a, B will be equal to A, that's it.
So, sir, it will be applicable to like even a rectangle and a square, right?
Yes, yes, हाँ, rectangle कब हो जाएगा? When angle is 90, the diagram will be rectangle, correct?
So, but for rectangle, we can directly multiply. So for square, we can directly multiply the side by √2 and we'll get the resultant.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब basically rectangle के लिए वही आ गया ना, Pythagoras result तो आ गया, है ना?
Yes.
हाँ, कृषाणु, हाँ. चलो ठीक है. Guys, ठीक है, फिर अपन next class में continue करते हैं. Also have a class.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Huh?
Bye, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Bye,
huh?
sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Huh?